Well, like I said, I was really ready for that. And it was a nice concept. I had a different concept in mind, but this one kasi it's for summer, so it has to be fun, playful, ganyan, and that's how people know me. Very makulit, very bubbly. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's really nice. I really trust the team and the photographer as well, which is Sander. It was done in a really nice and like classy. It's not like slutty or buffish naman. So I was a bit concerned. I'm not gonna lie. Of course, I was scared na how people would react to that, and of course my family. I know they would. I mean, they support me no matter what. But of course, when it comes to things like this, it's different. It's medyo sensitive siya kasi may kasamang hubad factor. But yeah, I'm really happy with my decision kasi after FHM, I gained a lot of subscribers, followers, Facebook, YouTube, lahat, dumami, Twitter, Instagram. And that's really my point also, is it's to get my name out there. Not just Petra Mahalimuyak, but me as Ashley Rivera. Well, to be honest, even before the whole YouTube stuff, I've been getting some indecent proposals na eh. Like indie films, they would say, oh, maghubad ka, ito, sisikat ka, ganyan, tabloid, blah, blah, blah. So, parang ako, wow, ayoko.
May OPM.
So parang, like, nakakatawa lang kasi, I mean, it's always gonna be there eh. It's really just how you handle yourself. Like, if you're really that desperate to be famous, then why not, diba? But ako, I chose not to. So, wala eh. Like, I'm always gonna say no. No matter how much they offer, I don't care. Kasi I still have respect for myself. I still have dignity. I mean, people are gonna say, yeah, really, you have dignity. Like, you post for FHM. But, I beg to differ. Kahit, it doesn't mean that if you post for FHM, wala na. Wala ka ng respect sa sarili mo, slut ka na. It's really not that. But, like I said, here in the Philippines, of course, given na yan eh, like yung corruption and yung mga ganyan, yung mga parang DOMs, but I think it's just funny and walang epekto sa akin yun.